Teka lang, uso ba yan?
Sorry, hindi.
Headband pala.
Headband.
Akala ko ginawa mo, di ba dati nauso yung ganyan? Yung choker. Hindi ko ubusin yan. Konti lang kainin ko.
We're here. Tingnan niyo.
Yes.
Lighting 7. Ala, may secret place pa pala dito. Dito kami. Sa Very Very.
Hi, sir.
Hi. May secret place pa pala dito. Ngayon ko lang nakita. Ngayon ko lang nakita tong area na to.
Yes.
Hi.
Hello. I'm glad to be here.
Welcome back.
Hi.
Hello. Hello. To the new gadget.
Hey, hey.
Ito,
For Taiwan, vlog return.
vlog return.
Vlog van.
Ayan, so nandito kami because ngayon lang ulit ako dumalo ng Manila.
Yes.
We will have dinner and we will be watching
Venom.
Ayan.
Oh, malaki.
Ayan ang ating order. Share of atin. Ito yung friends.
Chicks na.
Ito yung sa'yo. Ano tawag dyan? Chicks what?
This is the big chicken platter.
Ay,
And
ito
this
sa
is
akin.
yours.
Ay, hindi ko nasabing breast. Pwede pa ba? May chance pa ba? Breast part lang. Thank you. Bait nila. They're always considerate about yung parts.
Yeah, they're very nice.
Yan yung Kia. Ayan. Ipo-food, ano daw, food commentary daw ni Anjo. Anong portioning, Anjo, sabi mo?
Kasi syempre, sa every meals natin, para alam natin yung kinakain natin is more on the healthier side. Usually, ito yung mga portions na kailangan isipin.
Teka lang, uso ba yan?
Sorry, hindi.
Headband pala.
Headband.
Akala ko ginawa mo, di ba dati nauso yung ganyan? Yung choker. Sorry, lumalabas ang ang edad. Naalala ko yung choker. Nagsuot din ako ng ganyan dati.
Since ako, I'm focusing more into bodybuilding and
bodybuilding.
more muscle repair and recovery. Mataas dapat yung protein natin doon.
Correct. Yeah.
So, ito yun siya. Isang palad usually ang size. Saktong portion.
Hindi proper yung portioning. Kasi mas malaki yung sayo.
Ikaw sa'yo naman, Kia.
For me,
protein din.
The reason why ito lang yung order ko kasi I asked if may popcorn for the movie.
I think so.
I will prioritize my protein and the vegetables. Shrimp olive salad.
Wow! Yan.
Bongga yan ha.
Bawal ba sa akin? Okay lang, paminsan-minsan lang naman eh. Pero in general, bawal sa akin ang
bawal na?
fatty at saka ang salt. So,
and salt.
Hindi ko ubusin yan. Konti lang kainin ko.
We're here. Tingnan niyo.
Yes.
Halubitan eh.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Ayan. So, kain na. Bon appetit.
Yes.
Pray muna. Gutom na rin ako ha. Kita niya. Ganun po kumain ng mga vlog. Done with dinner. Maghihikap kami or maglalakad-lakad lang. Ka-digest ng food. Ang galing oh, meron pang bar and live performance pala dito.
Galing oh, may ano ba? Para gawin yung live band.
Yeah. Si Musika. Shrimp bucket and there's live performance.
Well, good evening everyone. Welcome to our long set for tonight. Maraming salamat for spending the Thursday night dito sa Newport World Resort sa may Musika.
Tara na, that's it. Sumilip lang kami. Sa casino yun eh.
Sa Resorts World, dito rin yun.
Oo nga.
Diba? Yung pala yung main stage.
Well, hindi tayo pwede doon dahil may usok.
Wow.
Akyat tayo?
Doon tayo mag-aabang.
Okay. It's calling.
Who's calling? What's calling? The 16.
Ito, this is the full circle of your healing.
Meron lang siyang bagong ano.
Finally, we have come to realize that the full circle of Doc Neo's healing relies on a fully paid iPhone 16 Pro.
Itong gusto ko.
Ano yung condition ng watch mo? Maganda pa, no?
Maganda pa.
Sa akin, dinuto ko lang.
Ha?
I use it in activity.
Tapos gold.
Sa
clinic.
Clinic, sa ganda. Sa Shan. Incredible Bizarre. Yun na, Venom.
Yung tulog mo okay na?
Yeah.
Hindi ka na... wala ka naman ibang gagawin eh.
Limitless.
Oo. Never lang. Makao. Okay lang, popcorn na lang. Dessert yung popcorn. Potato corner. Balik ka ba nun?
Yung ano, yung kakaiba.
Balik ka ba ng potato corner? Baka?
Oily. Wicked.
Chips.
Technically what? Salty.
Salty.
No to salt. And ano. Post na.
Pwede ba? Stay lang to.
Hindi, pwede ka mag-picture. Sabi mo nga, it's the same as dun sa baba. Feeling ko din na kinuha sa baba yan.
Yeah.
Yung coffee bean and tea leaf, I think.
And Usher. Marina.
So while waiting, we are going to sit down and relax.
And have a Victoria.
Dessert. Ow. Tanan. Sarap. Passion Al Capone. Al Capone. Oh. Siksik. not bad. Kasi 50 off kaya parang sulit. Kasi 50 off kaya parang sulit. Rock.
So ayun guys, sunod kami. Mamaya na ulit ako mag-video and we will give you a review. Maganda. Oh, I enjoyed it. It was it's the best Venom. It's funny. Yung second kasi medyo corny for me.
He slept.
I enjoyed it.
So ayun guys, it's goodbye again for now. See you in many months.
Many months.
But many months.
Next year na ulit.
Huh? No.
Feeling ko.
Birthday niya.
Oh yeah. To think of something. Anyway, bye-bye. 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 See you next time.